Alright, another strategy we can use is to make a list or a table or a chart to help us solve a problem. So if we take a look at the mind reading trick that I did in the introductory video, we can list out the elements of that problem to find patterns or information that's needed to solve what we want to know. So for the mind reading trick, well, why did it work? Well, we have to first take a look at what did I ask you to do. First, I asked you to select a number between 1 and 10 and then multiply that number by 9. Okay, so when you multiply that number by 9, let's say we pick the number 1. 1 times 9 is 9. Then I asked you to add the digits together for that number. So if it was 9, we'd add 0 and 9 because there isn't another digit. If it was, say, 18, we'd add the 1 plus 8, and that would give us 9. So as I do this and I begin to work out, you'll notice that as I make the table, what do I see? I see that every combination of a multiplication table of 9 ends up adding to 9. So if it's 9, 0 plus 9 is 9. If it's 18, 1 plus 8 is 9. If it's 27, 2 plus 7 is 9. So therefore, no matter what number you choose, you will always get 9 when you do this trick. Then I asked everyone to subtract 5. And the reason for doing that is just to give one more step, kind of like a distractor, so it won't be focused on adding the digits so somebody can't figure it out right away. Well, when you subtract 5, you end up with 4 every time. So back, if you remember, there were a list of letters associated with the numbers, and 4 was associated with D. Now, why did we choose D? Well, there's only one state that starts with D. So if you end up with 4 and you choose D, you'd have to have Delaware in your mind. And so it appears like I'm reading everyone's mind. But obviously, it's a trick. In this example, making a list or a table helps us figure out exactly what's going on. Alright, so let's take a look at our homework for the week. First thing is to list all the words or phrases you can find that mean addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And remember, the person that finds the most words will actually get 5 points, bonus for the course. Also, you need to do Lesson 1, Set 1, number 15. Lesson 1, Set 2, all the problems there. And Lesson 3, Set 2 and 3, all the problems. The homework will be due by July 4th. Now that's 2 weeks from the start of the course. The reason it takes so long there is I want to make sure everybody has an opportunity to get the book. We will begin Module 2 starting the following week, and at that time that homework will be due a week from that Friday. So you'll actually have 2 homework assignments that are due by July 4th. Thank you for being part of the first module, and we'll see you later.